What's going on, guys? I'm up here at Budville Motors in Paris, Kentucky. We have a 1971 Chevy Nova with a 250 straight six engine, automatic. Starts right up, drives really well. I'm going to do a little walk around and show you the inside and outside. If y'all have any questions, be sure to comment below, or you can call us at 859-340-4577, or check us out on our website, budvillemotors.com. We have several pictures of this Nova inside and outside, and all of our inventory is on there, budvillemotors.com. I do want to mention that there is some bubbling at the rear sail panel and roofline joint on both sides of the car. Inside looks really good. It's a comfortable ride. Like I said, it starts right up, drives really well. No problems there. There's a small hole in the fabric of the ceiling. So again, guys, if y'all have any questions, comment below, call us at 859-340-4577. You can also contact us through our website, budvillemotors.com. There's an email link and Facebook Messenger link on there. It has our address if you want to just stop by and you live in the area. Appreciate you watching this video and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks again.